happy new month. Quickly, I just want to encourage us this new month. I'll be talking on wake up. We need to wake up to some responsibility. We need to wake up. We need to take some things. We need to do the right thing. I quickly want to speak on Ephesians chapter 5, verse 14. He said, "Wherefore he says, Awake thou that sleepest, and arise from the dead, and Christ shall give thee light." So we need to awake. We need to wake up from our challenges. We need to wake up from those things that is weighing us down. We need to wake up from those things that is bringing us down in achieving our particular goal, in achieving those things as which God has prepared for us. We need to wake up, and we need to wake up even in delivering our gifts, even as children of God. So we need to wake up to this thing. Many of us have been sleeping, and the world has taken a lot of our time that we don't even have time even to wake up to see this responsibility. Many people don't see some responsibility today because they are sleeping. Many people don't see those things which God has prepared for them because they are not taking their time, because they are dead to those things. But I want to encourage us, I want to challenge us that this is the time for us to wake up. This is the time for us, to wake up to those things at which God wants us to do. This is the time for us to wake up to those things, wake up and see those things, and do some exploits for God. I pray that in this season we will wake up to all these things and we will do it perfectly well. We wake up to all those challenges that is weighing us down, that is bringing us away from the things of God, that is not making us to achieve those particular goals which God has prepared for us. I pray that in this new month that we will achieve those things and will be better than our yesterday. Thank you very much.
Until I'm deep.